In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a crank pulley on a Jeep Cherokee with a 2.4 liter engine located behind the front passenger fender. You want to take these 5 lug nuts off. They're 19 millimeters. After you remove your wheel, you have a 10 millimeter bolt here. Remove that. And these 2 clips here and there. These are 2-piece clips, so the center will come out. Take your pin, put it off to the side. You have 3 8 millimeter bolts. Remove those. Then you have one last one out here, but this one is missing on ours. Take your wheel liner around your strut, hang it off to the side. Your serpentine belt has a tensioner, which is right here. It's a 16 millimeter bolt. You want to put a wrench on that, pull down, and then slide your belt off. Remove your serpentine belt. Set that aside. You got your 22 millimeter bolt for your crank pulley. You want to remove that. Sometimes these crank pulleys slide right out. Other times you have to have a puller to remove it. If you do have to use a puller, you're going to have to evacuate your AC Freon, bring it to a shop that has a license to do that, because you have to remove this line in order to get a puller onto this pulley. So luckily, our pulley slid right off. Before you install your crankshaft pulley, make sure your dowel pin is in. Want to line that up, slide that on, tighten your bolt. You can't torque this down because the pulley is spinning, so if you put your serpentine belt back on, that's going to hold it from spinning, and then you can torque that properly. Now it's time to install your serpentine belt. Make sure it's in all the grooves of the pulleys. Pull on the tensioner. Get your belt into that groove. Make sure your belt is in all your grooves. And that's how you put your belt on. I went to go torque the crank bolt, and the pulley was still spinning with the belt on. So if you take some sort of pry bar or a piece of metal, anything to hold that pulley from spinning while you're trying to torque it. And you want to tighten that down to 37 foot-pounds. Take your fender liner, install that back in its holder. Put your cover back. 10 millimeter bolt back in here. You have your clip. Goes back there. This is the 2-piece one. This outer center, push in. Same thing here, your outer piece, then your center piece, push it in, tighten your 10mm bolt, take your 8mm bolts, install those back in your fender liner. And don't forget there's one up top here next to the strut that was missing. Take your wheel, line up your lug holes, and put these in by hand so you don't cross thread. Snug them up. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, we're going to torque these at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.